you need to accept that all. SSD, 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 SSD. South Sudan OA. 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 Thank you very much to the media and the entire world on media, and South Sudan in particular, and Uganda as a country. Today we have gathered here as student leaders in the University of Juba, and students who are also proud and patriotic to their nations, who have also a sentimental feeling and attachment to their national integrity, which had been abused several times by the Ugandan National Army. So as a student in the University of Juba and South Sudanese, we urge our government to protect our sovereignty, and we also urge the international community to stand with the South Sudan in this attempt of invasion and potential foreign threat.
A student at the University of Juba held a protest today demanding action from the South Sudanese government after a report that the Ugandan army crossed into South Sudan and killed 5 government soldiers in Kajo, Keji County. The protest took place on the university campus. Students held signs and chanted message calling for the protection of South Sudan land and people. Alabush Mayuek, the student chairperson from the School of Education, spoke on behalf of a student leader from across the university. He said the students were deeply concerned about the country's safety. We are here because our country's sovereignty is at risk, Mayuek said. We lost 5 soldiers. That cannot be ignored. Many of the students held unwritten signs that said no to foreign aggression. UPDF, Uganda People Defense Force, must stop their operation in Kajo, South Sudan. Our government must protect the sovereignty. International community must intervene. This protest comes just days after clashes were reported near the South Sudan-Uganda border. Both governments give different reports about what happened. While leaders on both sides have since called for peace, the students say they want clear answers and real action from their leaders. The student protests ended peacefully. No arrests or violence were reported. Thank you for listening and for watching. Bye-bye.